my God.
Oh boy.
I don't know what he's doing.
He's shaking it up.
Is this gonna explode on
Hey,
us?
you need to puncture a hole and he's gonna
Get a hole in it.
Your dad is so old school.
watch
I'm even old school from him.
I'm feeling pretty
Oh,
good.
turn off the light.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, wait, no, he needs a hole in it.
Someone's gonna get the hole for Barry.
I need the here. Use my key.
Take turns.
Oh, beer pants. Neat.
Kelly, those are my keys. Don't lose them.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is. You gotta puncture the side of it.
I need
John,
the older.
can
No,
Mom,
no, no.
can you go
Puncture
here on
my
there?
key.
No,
Give me your beer.
just a second. Hold on.
It's gonna explode.
I'm so cold.
Rachel, the bottle opener, the can opener. I need it.
This is crazy.
This is old school. This
I need to. This
is
is
like Bob
This is a
Seger's.
test of my drinking abilities right now.
Bob Seger.
This is me and the veteran.
There.
Me against
Now
the
we're
veteran.
tight.
Holy.
Yeah,
Ladies and gentlemen,
I'm
this is
got
what
this
happens.
right here.
You see this?
Let's go.
Yes, it is.
Wait, we have to
Oh,
wait
let's
for
go.
Barry. Wait for Barry. Wait for Barry.
For fuck's sake, let's go.
No, wait, Grant, wait.
I'm waiting. I can't even find my lid.
Wait, open it.
Where's my lid?
Go, go!
Ian!
Oh my God,
Ian! Go pick it up.
Ian's beating
Yeah.
Hands down, Ian. Oh, boy, Ian. Ah, flack.
Look at the boy. Who's got glue down. My son never even opened it.
You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir.
Give me your can.
Where's your can? Where's your can? Grant, where's your can?
He doesn't even have anything drooling on his face.
You know?
I think Barry's still drinking it.